lesson, we are going to review animal and plant survival. So animals all have special body parts that help them survive. So whether it's a trunk or a tongue or a hand or a beak, they all need something that will help them eat because they need food in order to survive. Do you remember when we created our different beaks out of paper cups and tried different tactics of eating beans off of our carpet with our beaks? So even within the same species like birds, their body parts can look different in order to meet their needs. So a hummingbird's beak is long and narrow because the hummingbird needs to dig food out of the flower, whereas the pelican's beak is almost like a pouch, so he can scoop up fish, and the macaw is shaped really pointy so it can crack open nuts. We also talked about how all offspring need food, shelter, protection, and comfort in order to survive. So offspring just means babies. So that's why baby animals need to stay with mom. Mama bear is going to help out baby bear on how to survive, how to find food, and will also provide that level of protection and comfort. Another survival tactic that is used by animals, both prey and predators, the eat and the eaten, to be eaten, use camouflage. Can you find the owl in the tree or the polar bear in the Arctic or the bunny in the Arctic? So the color of an animal's fur, feather, skin, or scales can help them blend in with their habitat. On our right, there's a picture of moths. Remember, we made our own moths and hid them in the classroom. That was really fun. And then there's the chameleon, which has a special property that it can change color to match its background instead of already being that color and matching its background. And here's the octopus. Something special about the octopus is that it can change texture as well as color to match its surroundings. Okay, another thing that's important to note is offspring share similar characteristics with their parents. So baby animals take traits from mommy animal and daddy animal. So they might look similar, but they are not going to look exactly the same. Well, let's talk about plant survival. So plants have structures that help them survive too, like roots. The roots dig down deep so that the trees or the plants don't blow over in the wind. And plants, even though they might not look like they are moving, plants actually move toward the sunlight to get as much as possible. So plants will grow toward the direction of the sun to survive.